Hello, I purchased Mr. Mackey's 9 to 5 Buy 9 to 5 course, working my way through it. It's given me a lot of reasons to realize a lot of stuff going on underneath your nose with an exchange of money with YouTube here. We have, and this is actually inside the basic course there, Module 1, Introduction, Facebook groups, where to go to join up, introduction videos, overview. And then we have Module 2, creating your YouTube and AdSense account. I already have an active AdSense account from web pages, so I haven't went through this yet. I'm still working my way through, but I can't recommend this enough. It's all the inside information you may be looking for. Module 3, getting to monetization review within 1 month and how to pass it with one video. Well, pretty important there. Module 4, downloading videos, uploading videos, and scheduling them. Module 5, choosing the right niche and choosing the right videos to post. Module 6, using non-CC videos and editing them. Hey, there's pure gold there. Module 7, YouTube SEO secrets. Hey, get your channel found. Module 8, how to explode your views and subscribers. Important. Module 9, making money with your videos. Hey, while we're all here. Module 10, channel maintenance. And then we also have Module 11, what to do if your channel or your AdSense account gets deleted. Kind of important to know what to do if you go wrong, or to prevent you from going wrong. Module 12, the conclusion, moves into the Advanced Masterclass, in-depth student success stories, premium bi-weekly live mastermind group, and the conclusion videos. Hey, I can't recommend this enough. Make money on YouTube without making videos. Mr. Mackey, goodbye.